it's Jean with Beauty and the Stamper, and I am playing around with magazines and tape to make some fun kind of see-through stickers. And I know this has been around for a while, but I just thought it would be fun to play with it, as I never have done that before. So I'm going to take a piece of just packing tape, and I always just fold it over so I could find it easier next time. I have a little bowl of water here, and I have a magazine, and I saw this picture here with this guy standing looking at the I don't know, in the desert. So I'm just going to take this and I'm going to put it right on here, and you can, like I said, make these little tapes as long or as short as you want them. And then once you do it, I'm just gonna cut a piece off here. But you could do these with pictures too, with printed pictures. And then I'm just gonna cut off where I need, because I don't want to make a big mess. So I'm gonna cut that. And I think I'm going to make it about this big. And then I'm going to cut off all the regular paper as well. So you have this little piece, and that looks like it could about fit in a happy planner, right? So I'm going to stick that in there for a bit. And this is cold water. It would probably work even better with warm water. I'm gonna try this. This isn't a little piece of watercolor paper, so this could very well not work, but we will see. And I'm only gonna take, oh, that's what I hate, is having to find this later. So I'm gonna quickly pull it before it gets bunched down. And we're going to, I'm going to put this right here. And I'm going to do the same thing. I'm going to cut it not too big. And who knows if this will work, because it is watercolor paper, but I just want to try a few different things and see if it works. I also bought, this is I'm going to set this off to the side. I'll flip this over. I bought this, what's it called? Faux Memo. And it is a printer, a little mini printer, and it comes with 3 rolls of thermal tape, green, purple, and a white, which I had in here. And I printed out my cardinal schedule. So if you're interested in this, let me know. I could show you. It works really easy, just like a little printer. You hook it up to your phone. You can print words. And this is already a sticker, so I'm not worried about it being a sticker, but I wanted to see if this works, because you could also print, pictures. I mean, this is a picture, so you see that it actually has a picture of somebody in a football uniform there. So I'm gonna flip that over. And then we'll cut this off. We'll try this as well. And we're just gonna cut this down. I know you can fast forward to where I start getting this all at the end to see if it worked, if this is too boring for you. So I think we'll see. I think that's enough. We'll put that in there. And then I wanted to try one more thing. And these are my papers that I created. And let's see, they are for junk journaling. I think I'm going to take a piece of this here as well. And I'm going to put it right here. And why would I do that when I could just, you know, cut the pieces of paper? Well, this is going to make it kind of see-through. And if I wanted to, I could make it all long and make a nice see-through kind of tape. So I thought this could be fun. I don't know exactly what I would do with it, but I saw somebody use this technique and thought I'd give it a try. And now we're just going to see what works and what doesn't. That's all we're doing. All right, so here's the first one. And all you're going to do is kind of get rid of the paper. And it just rolls right off. I know the magazine, I did try this one on my own earlier to see if I wanted to show it to you guys. And I mean, you can buy that tape at Dollar Tree, so it's going to be really inexpensive. And you just keep on. You can see there's still a layer. So I'm going to put this on and clean my fingers up a little bit. And then go back over. And you'll see what I mean about it being clear. So you can see there's still a layer. And I have done this way back in the day on canvas with some, it was a certain type of glue that made the ink stick to the canvas. But we're getting rid of all of this. It is a little work in progress, but it keeps your hands busy. If you're just looking for something to do, this is a fun little something. So I'm going to put it against my hand there so you could see. And it's clear. And you can see that it's clear on my fingernails. So how fun would that be? Just gonna let it dry for a minute. And let's test out the watercolor one. I don't know if this will work at all. You guys, some of it looks like it's working. It is not. It's coming right off. It looked like it was working. I'll show you. I think, see how it looked like it was? And then I rubbed it a little more and it just came off. Okay, so we know that's a no-go on that one. And this one, this is that paper, this one I forgot to take off the backing, so I don't know if that's an issue. The sticker. We're gonna still try it. We're gonna see. No. I think that's because I left the sticker backing on it. I truly do. I think that's why. Yeah. It's not going to work on that one either. So that one's just a little sad for me. But let's try this paper. Because if this works, then you could... no, that's not working either. Okay, so we have tried. That came right off and removed all the sticky. So there we go. That's why I do these, so you guys could see. But this one definitely did work. That was at least cool with that one. Now I've got water everywhere, but at least we figured out that we could take pieces off of magazines. I was so sad because I really wanted to be able to work with a picture, but it's my own fault for not removing that sticker background, and that I take blame. I'll have to try it again without that sticker, but I don't have it. Yeah, it's not gonna remove it. I don't have another sticker made. Only made the one to see if it worked. So, all right, beauties. I hope you liked it, even with what doesn't work. At least you know. You know, I was thinking you could probably even put these, who knows? But that would be cool on a plan with me. So, all right, I hope you have a wonderful day, and I will talk to you later. Bye.
Like watching me make something, then subscribe to my channel and hit